we both have kids at home. We both love animals. Q. It's like a backwards.
And we're doing dinosaurs. So this is our plan down here, and these are what we're doing up here. Then you can see up here where it shows the motored thing, and it's a pterodactyl.
If I had the motorized thing in the trick trampoline, it would look like me doing a backflip.
And then like the TV will be right there, and the screen.
Ow! See how it says item 1, item 2?
Itself. It's a beach ball. It's a beach ball. Now we are going to make like the bottom. We're gonna make like waves for the pool. It's a beach ball.
Or we're working on doing a zoo, so we're adding the train. Right now Druti is cutting the train out, and we're going to put it inside of our box to make the shadow.
We're making a motorized Christmas tree in the living room, which our theme is Christmas. So this is what we have so far. Yeah. At least is what we can say.
And these are all people. This is my business home.
It's like he's eating. Like you're right. Like in a science lab, and Clyde are moving objects. It looks kind of like he's eating. It's so cute looking. It's adorable. I think the thing that was the best was when we were building our thing and we were working with our partners.